Hi. I got a bunch of DMs about this topic regarding Beyoncé and her Buffalo Soldier shirt, I guess because I'm both black and an enrolled member of the Choptico Band of Piscataway Indians, so I guess I might have some special insight. I don't. This person, in a random comment that I found on something that came up on my FYP just a couple of minutes ago, I think she said it best. She didn't mean it the way I'm about to say it, but she said it best. Beyoncé is specific and intentional about everything, and there's a reason for this shirt. My take on that is that Beyoncé, like any billionaire, does everything for money. You kind of have to zoom out from Beyoncé and all the insane anti-blackness that's swirling around this whole issue, and some of the respondent anti-native. It's back and forth. You read a headline that says billionaire makes statement, whether it's a fashion statement, a literal statement in the press, an economic statement, whatever, makes a statement, the result of which is a bunch of working class people in two heavily marginalized groups are now arguing with each other about history instead of focusing on a narrative of, hey, let's deal with inequality so none of us are miserable anymore. I think that the conversation about how black people and indigenous people were thrown into the ocean of colonialism and were occasionally encouraged by the ruling class to use one another as life preservers, I think that's a thing that our communities really need to have a discussion about. I don't think that discussion should be prompted as a chaos grenade lobbed into the bullpen of the working class by a billionaire who would like to distract from the conversation around yawning inequality. Because say what you want about Beyoncé, lover or hater, I think we can all agree that Beyoncé and her husband both really enjoy being regarded as royalty. And both of them, being known to be smart and occasionally ruthless operators, will do whatever they have to whomever they have to maintain that status.